Hi and hello there. Welcome to my channel Learn with Albert Pinto. Today I have a very important video for you, and in this video I am going to solve the most important problem which not anyone here on YouTube have been able to solve it. Now let me show you the email that I received just yesterday from Google, and this is the email. When I saw this email, I got totally lost, and in spite of clicking the links, these links were just not opening. I clicked on every possible link, and what I get every time is this. With this problem, I was not able to figure out what went wrong and where on my website. So I decided to contact Google, but this email is no reply. It means this email cannot be replied back. Then I decided to send feedback to Google, and in fact, to tell you the truth, in few hours time I sent 2 feedbacks to them, telling them or asking them how to solve the problem when I don't know what is the problem. I was confused and kept asking myself what went wrong, what I have done and where. You know very well that if Google accounts get banned, then there is very little you can do to recover it. So keep watching this video without skipping until the end to solve this very big problem. Keep watching, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, because I bring the most important and actual problem videos on my channel. Thanks for watching Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. So I was afraid that after receiving this email, very soon I will get another email from Google that my account is banned. Oh, I don't want that to happen, please. Now let's come to the point. Very often you see that people using ad blocker. Hey, are you using ad blocker? If so, then don't use it. It is nothing but an ad blocker error. And after removing the ad blocker, please clear all the caches and then try again. But for me, it worked immediately after removing the ad blocker. Yes, don't use it if you are doing blogging, because that is the culprit, the main reason for you to receive this email. I was using ad blocker, and after 15 days or so, I installed the ad blocker and it was running perfectly fine. I was happy. Then after a few days, I saw this happening on my Google AdSense dashboard. I thought it might be some minor issue from Google and it will be solved soon. But no, it continued for a week. Now my friend, if you have installed any ad blocker, remove it completely and then immediately your problem will be solved like this. Now, what does Google say about ad blocker? I have no exact answer. I used ad blocker because Google says that you should not see the ads on your site. I mean the impressions, because when we are writing articles and reviewing those articles, the ads appear, and so that makes an impression. Now, if Google does not want us to use ad blocker, then how is it that we will not see the ads? How to prevent these impressions, which is a Google policy violation? Well, for that, disable the ad blocker when you don't need it and re-enable when you need it. Simple. But my main aim is to solve this issue and the problem has been solved. So here I am winding up this video. Like and share and also subscribe for my next video. Take care, my friend. Bye-bye.